I decided to get this Nuxe. It's like a travel kit set. So this is what I got, and I'm about to open it right now. When I went to the pharmacia, I saw that they had this little travel kit, and I just had to get it. I mean, look how cute. I have a thing for many things anyways. So this is the Nuxe, my Prodigieux Floral Beauty Essentials. And it has the oil, the perfume, the face cream, glow boosting face cream, and the shower oil. And it comes with this really cute makeup case. Like, look how cute is that? And let's see what they have inside. I feel like these are going to be so tiny, but I have a thing for like mini things, so I'm not bad about it at all. All right. Okay, so here we have the first item, which is the iconic oil. I've actually tried this before. I finished a big one, and the reason why I want to get this one is because I was really interested in the perfume, and I see it right there. It looks so cute. Anyways, this has a really pretty floral scent. It's not rose at all. It's actually a little bit of grapefruit, a little bit of like white florals, orange, think orange blossoms, magnolia, and a little bit musky on the dry down. Now, when you get the big ball, you do get the spray, so it's much easier to use. So you have to be careful. The oil does come out really quickly. It has 7 botanical oils. It's just so nourishing and makes my skin super soft. I love the smell. I almost like it better than the original one. It's just a very everyday floral scent. You can wear it every day. It's just fresh smelling, a little bit of prettiness to it. It's just so nice. Next item is this. Oh my gosh, guys, come on. Like, are you seeing this? Look at that bottle. Like, not only is it pink, it is mini. It is so cute. I was not expecting it to be like this. I thought I was going to receive one of those small 2 ml samples, you know, the ones that they give you for free. This is like, look at this. This is, oh my gosh. Okay, I already smelled this in the pharmacia, and let me tell you, oh, it's so good. Okay, I want to layer it with the oil, so here we go. That's a great, what's it called? My son knows the name, but it's great. The spray is amazing. Oh, so the perfume is the perfect complement to the oil. The grapefruit, you really smell the grapefruit coming in. A tad of lemon, definitely orange blossom, the magnolia, and definitely the musk. It's basically this, but in a perfume. It's amazing. I'm definitely gonna buy this again once I finish this. I mean, how could I not? Okay, and it also came with this face cream. It is a glow boosting cream. Oh my gosh, if it has the scent. Yes, it has a little bit of a floral scent to it. This I have to try on my face, but for now I'll just try it on my hand here. The texture is really nice. It's like a cream gel texture. I mean, for a face cream, the scent is not too, like, it's okay. Because I don't think you're supposed to wear fragrances on your face, like not too much, but wow. I love the texture of this. I could just see it plumping up like little fine lines. Like, look. And last but not least, they have the shower oil in the same scent. This is, oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. Let's shake it up. Yes, it has the same type of floral scent, even in the shower oil. So I think it's going to be a great combination. Just using the shower oil, going in with the oil, locking it in with a little bit of the parfum. I'm just gonna be smelling like a flower bomb, basically. It's just so pretty. I mean, guys, it's floral, fresh, and together it's a great layering combo. And come on, pink. Now, have you seen these bottles? Like, are you seeing? I mean, I'm dying. I'm literally